Come on in, honey bunnies. How y'all doing? Look, my sister done cooked. And we about to tear it up. And she made her homemade garlic butter. And I got some. Amen. And I got to have my hot sauce. But first I got to have my old acid reflux.
Oh my God.
Is that good?
I did it, didn't I?
You put your foot in it?
And I put my foot, my ass, and did everything there.
Stupid.
Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Is that good?
Going to the shrimp. Oh God. I put a lot of seasoning in that bit though.
You didn't? Oh, you did?
Did.
Too much?
It's on the borderline.
That's a big ass shrimp.
Oh God.
Good that one. They seasoned right though.
Man.
I took my blood pressure pill.
What bit, baby? That's a person.
I'm not seasoning. Put it on there. Oh, that look good right now.
Oh God.
That look good.
Some of everything, not mixing shit. Gourmet, chef, homeboy, girl. Oh, I did that. And ain't shit in there.
It was empty.
Spicy. Oh yeah.
That came out perfect.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Man. Oh God. This shit stop.
You sound like you get you some. Oh my God.
Oh God. Yes, sir. I know it. Hot sauce on my egg.
I bet I eat the egg with some hot sauce.
I can't eat hot sauce. That shit already spicy as fuck.
I like it with get you some vinegar.
Yeah, basil. Not everything.
And then some salt and black pepper. And dip the egg in the vinegar.
You like all that pickle stuff. Ugh, man.
They empty.
Sorry. No, I just broke it wrong. It's alright though. One more than one way to skin a cat. Oh God. Man. You obey and they slap your mama.
They slap your mama's season.
Man.
You try that season called oh shit.
Where do they sell it?
Amazon.
Okay.
That thing good.
Let's see if I can find some. I ain't want it too soggy.
What?
Put that on.
Oh, too solid. Yeah. Dang.
Oh my. Mm-mm. Oh my God. My channel, hopefully it'll be in the description below. Lizzy's World. Ain't really started yet, but about to get there.
I don't know what you're waiting on. It'll be called what?
Lizzy's World.
Lizzy's World. Y'all heard that? Go subscribe to Lizzy's World. Like, comment, share. Please.
Please. Oh my God, we're gonna kill. I need some water. It's spicy.
It's good one.
Oh my God.
You cook the shrimp good. I can't stand when somebody overcook a shrimp.
I have to sit up for about an hour after this one.
3 hours for me. My acid reflux. So we over it.
Oh, something.
Oh, I ain't even tried the crab yet.
I have no need for that here a moment. What happened? Your boobs hungry?
Really?
Daisy gonna eat your little ass up. You better cook it. Uh-oh.
Then I grab in a car seat taller than her.
They don't do me. That's in the right circumstances. Car seats for guilty. I got a cracker somewhere.
I don't use no cracker.
I don't need them until it comes to bit for it.
You're not gonna hold you back.
Hmm?
When you use the thing to crack it, you're not gonna hold you back and you don't get the flavor. Cause that flavor be in the shell. I got my sleeping clothes on. I'm gonna have to take a bath. Sheets don't smell like crab.
Oh God, did I break that? Doesn't matter. I was like, getting my crab meat, where did it come?
You can not drink.
I got that, but it is back down. You guys cold? That baby J can bring one.
Jada! Y'all excuse me.
Sorry.
Baby J!
Ooh, that thing's spicy. Ooh, is it just about one shell?
No spicy meat. Oh, so I about to run.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm definitely there.
No. Excuse me. Sorry. There's that Coca-Cola.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, excuse me. What? I said excuse me. Excuse me. I said excuse me.
Oh man.
Is that crab?
What? Got a question.
What's the
I
question?
think I want to ask her on camera.
Well, after I'll come. Can shrimp eat crab?
Eat crab.
Oh.
Hey.
Yep. Yeah.
What's the question for today?
Oh, because they're red. Yeah. They should be. Now they about to starve because they can't eat red meat or nothing.
Damn. Cook it till it's burnt. Baby, like, I'm so sick of her calling me right now.
I like these shrimp. They didn't even shrink that much.
They didn't. I thought they were, but they didn't. They are pretty good. Oh.
Hold on. Look. Oh, don't break. Don't break. Damn it.
It broke.
It broke.
It started to get cold.
I know y'all probably happy I ain't in the room. But they say every time they see me, I be in the room. I'll never leave out the room.
Comfort zone.
Y'all see them stairs? That's why I be in the room.
Oh, goodness.
You mess no crabs up.
I love crabs.
Sorry we not talking, but y'all know when it be good. You don't say nothing. Be quietness at the table.
Oh, God.
I think my bride eating more shrimp than me.
Lizzy.
Hot sauce. It's the hot sauce. Ain't no coronavirus.
I ain't saying that. You brought that up.
It's the hot sauce. I mix the hot sauce up in there.
I already got Cajun seasoning in it.
Mm-hmm.
Then that slap your mama on top of hot sauce.
Whew.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
I'm getting full.
Whew.
You working on yours.
Excuse me. That I did. Oh, man.
Best lie if I get one of them shells stuck in between my teeth. Oh yeah, that's why I want right there, that cloth. I love them cloths.
Oh, there we go. Weird noise.
Oh, you got that perfect. How you do that?
Just bite it along the edge. Whew. Don't pay me no mind. I love crab legs. Oh my god. What?
My crab popped in your butter. Come back.
Okay.
Yup, there it go right on. You met my crab. That garlic butter is good.
Oh my god. That claw meat looks this. Oh shit. Oh, that claw meat. Oh my goodness. Demolished.
You made your own little sauce down in the bottom of it.
Yeah. Yeah. I let it marinate for like 20 minutes in the oven. After that, I can cook it. Gotta find a soft spot.
Yeah, I gotta take a bath.
Man. That took what, 20 minutes to eat? Oh, the seafood, man. Oh god, yes.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Oh. Excuse me.
Oh my god.
I took that whole meat out. See?
Can somebody say excuse?
Damn. I ain't got no sense.
Gonna be a lucky guy on there. Shit. What y'all do?
Oh, God.
Yeah. Shit. You on here tonight. Back. You gonna do that thing I'm like?
You ain't got no sense.
Damn.
think I need to pop about 2 more in it.
Yeah, I think you do.
How many did I take? 2?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I need about 2 more.
How did you break your nail? White part. Guess I put the rest of it up.
Yeah.
Look cute, even more.
What?
I can't eat 2 days straight. For me, yeah, I can eat for snack. Yeah, I didn't.
Eat grab leg for snack.
Yep.
See, I wish I had that kind of snack when I was growing up.
Right.
Well, what we got for snack?
Crab.
Some prime rib and some oysters and some shrimp.
Got one more. Gonna take it up through there. Whew. Excuse me. Science has been acting crazy.
Mm.
Man,
I'm so full.
don't force it. Look at Georgia.
I'm full.
You can't even have this. Sorry, pup. I'm so sorry, but it was good. I'm trying to force it, but I can't do it. I'm not gonna do myself like that. It was good run.
We try to finish it.
Can't. Kinda did though, but
I'm gonna eat this and then.
God for the rest of it.
Did
Katrina. I did
you
good.
work on her now.
I did good. I did good. Oh my goodness. Whew. 5. Can't go wrong with that peach.
Oh yeah, peach from.
Oh my God. Gonna send myself into a fat girl coma. Oh man, oh man. That was good. Hey, I did myself down.
Yeah, you put your foot in that. She thinks she done something because hers tastes better than mine.
Well, I haven't had yours though.
I know, but I had mine. So that's why I can say yours tastes better than mine.
You stupid. Lola. Puppy dog. You gonna be booing on air. Stop. Go on. You can't eat this. You cannot have seafood, man.
Dog can't have seafood?
She can't eat real food.
Real food.
George. I'm scared to eat it, so you already know. I was done with it. That potato farm, I love potatoes. Ready? There's a potato church. Damn it.
All right, y'all. We got end the video. So we can go wash, sit up about 2 hours before I lay down. I'm about acid reflux.
Yeah, man. Tell me about it. I know.
But thank y'all for tuning in. And don't forget, go check out my sister's channel and subscribe.
Lizzy's Worlds.
All right, honey bunnies. We love y'all. And this is Mama Bear Travels. Good night.